Hi, welcome. So we've got a question here, and the question says that there is a triangle which is ABC, and we need to find out the length of AB, which is basically this point to this point. Now, we don't have any right angled triangle here. So what we can do is we can simply drop a perpendicular from C to the line AB, right? So this is our perpendicular, and that's why this triangle is 90-degree now. Now let's also have this point as D, correct? So now we have got two right angle triangles. One of them is triangle ADC, and the other one is triangle CD and B, right? Now, if we focus on to this particular triangle, what we can do is we will find out the length of AD here, right? And AD is basically the adjacent. If we look at the trigonometric ratios, we know that this is the adjacent. And if this is the adjacent and we have this angle as the right angle triangle, so that means this is the hypotenuse of our triangle, correct? Now, considering this triangle ADC, we can now easily say that, the adjacent and the hypotenuse are there. And we need to find out this adjacent because see, to find out the length of AB, what we need to find out is we need to find out AD, and then we will also find out B and D. And then we'll add up both the things because AB is equal to AD plus BD, correct? So what we will do is we'll first find out AD, right? So let's do that. So AD can be found out easily from this triangle ADC because we know that cos 50-degree is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Which is basically, now cos 50-degree, we can easily find it out with the help of the calculators because we don't have this in the standard tables, and that is 0.64, and the adjacent is AD, and hypotenuse is already given in the question, that is 5 centimeters. So we will simply put it like 5. Now, which means that we can say that AD is equal to 0.64 times 5, which makes it 32.3.2, rather. It makes it 3.2 centimeters, right? So that means we have found out AD, which is 3.2 centimeter. Now then the question comes, how do we find out BD? Now to find out BD, we need to work upon this triangle BDC. And since we are going to find out this BD, we need to have one more side, but we need to have the measurement of one more side. So but we don't have yes, neither we have CD and nor we have BC. So what we can do is we can again get back to our triangle which is ADC, and from here we will find out the length of CD. Now to do that, we need to, I mean, here we had applied cos. Now since we have to find out the CD, which is the opposite, right? This is the opposite side because it's opposite to our theta, which is 50-degree. We'll use the sine ratio here. So when we use sine ratio, then that means that is equal to, if we consider this triangle again, so sine 50-degree is equal to opposite, which is CD, over hypotenuse, which is 5. And therefore we can easily write that CD is equal to 5 times, and the value of sine 50-degree can be found out from the calculator, and that is 0.77. Now let's just simply do the multiplication here, and that is uh, 3.85 centimeter, right? Now we have got the CD and we have this angle also. all we need to do is we need to just find out BD. And this is opposite here and this is adjacent. That means we are going to use the tan ratio here, correct? So tan in this particular triangle, we can say that tan 42 degree, we know that it is opposite over adjacent. So opposite means CD and adjacent means BD, right? And we anyways have to find out the value of BD. So BD is equal to CD over tan 40 degree, and tan 42 degree is approximately 0.90, and CD we already know, we have just found it out, that is 3.85. So we will say 3.85 divided by 0.90, right? So this is what the calculation we have got. And finally, now we need to find out the value of BD. I'll have to take the help of the calculator. So we are just doing that. And it is 3.85 divided by zero point 0.9, and that makes it 4.27, right? So BD is 4.27 centimeters. So the important results of this question so far have been like AD we have got 3.2, BD we have got 4.2, which means we can put these two values into this and we can say that 3.2 plus 4.27, and that's equal to 7.47 centimeters. Now that's the final answer. This is what we have got from this, and this is our final answer. So I hope you guys understood this question and liked this question, and keep watching these videos and share these videos as much as you can. I'll keep coming up with more and more videos for you guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.